Welcome to Secure Financial Education. Subscribe to the channel. We have the answers you need for the life you want. This short car buying tips video is about where to get great used cars. The following are some of the resources to consider when buying a used car. Number 1. The Used Car Superstore. Imagine it as the Walmart of used cars. There have been numerous used car superstores that have mushroomed over the last 5 years. These superstores usually have a large inventory of used cars, and can number anywhere from 400 to 500 vehicles. The vehicles found in these stores come from auctions that cater specially to car dealers. Number 2. New car dealer. The logic here is that since new car buyers usually trade in their old cars when they buy a new one, the collection that new car dealerships have are almost always extensive. New car dealerships provide better reconditioning to the used cars traded to them. Be aware though that sometimes it would take a lot of negotiation on the price of the vehicle to be purchased. Number 3. Used car dealers. There are usually hundreds of used car dealerships in every state. Sometimes these are small operations that contain 10 cars on the lot while others have over 50. The great thing about buying from used car dealers is that the prices are often a lot less than new car dealerships. However, the quality of these cars are usually less. Number 4. Private owners. The good thing about buying from private owners is that the prices that they offer are usually reasonable compared to dealers because this is in accordance with book values. You also get the opportunity to actually speak with the owner of the vehicle and witness for yourself how the car was or was not cared for. A potential disadvantage of this scenario, however, is that it could be a bit inconvenient driving to every private owner's home. I hope these car buying tips have helped you. Please leave your thoughts below, we would love to hear your thoughts. Please comment below, your opinion is important. Be sure to subscribe to the channel. We have the answers you need for the life you want.